an alleged serial rapist arrested after nearly 20 years. And DNA from a genealogy website led police to his doorstep. Now we're getting more perspective on what this could mean for future cases statewide. Thanks for joining us for WCPO 9 News at 11. I'm Tanya O'Rourke.
And I'm Craig McKee. WCPO 9 News reporter KRISTEN SWILLEY joins us here in studio now to break down the case. KRISTEN?
Well, guys, after nearly 2 decades, DNA led investigators to William Blankenship, but it wasn't his DNA that was his undoing. It was one of his parents who'd used a genealogy website to explore their family roots. We spoke to the prosecutor and a defense attorney about what this could mean for future cases.
Technology caught up with this guy.
For 2 decades, this sketch was the closest thing police had to putting a face on 3 unsolved rape cases, 2 of which involved girls 10 and 14 years old.
It's an incredible investigative tool that Cincinnati police used in this case.
But now genealogy sites like ancestry.com and 23andMe are changing the way detectives solve crimes. It was that technology that helped police crack high-profile cases like that of the Golden State Killer and this local rape suspect, now identified as William Blankenship.
You can run, but you ain't gonna hide, because eventually it's going to catch up to you.
But how exactly that DNA evidence can be used in a court of law in the state and nationwide remains to be seen. In Cuyahoga County, the medical examiner's office has a forensic index of DNA profiles from crime scenes just waiting for a match.
I think it's going to be a brand new area for all of us to try and work our way through in the court system.
William Gallagher has been a criminal defense attorney for 32 years. He says it's important to know how exploring your past could affect your future.
If you look at some of these genealogy websites, they'll tell you that they don't share it, they won't sell it, but they will respond to legal process.
Now, Prosecutor Deters did speak with Ohio Attorney General David Yost, whose assistants are looking into how a statewide unit in Florida dedicated to this sort of evidence works and if they should establish one here in Ohio. He also contacted the Kenton County Prosecutor to see if Blankenship may be connected to more rape cases. KRISTEN SWILLEY, WCPO 9 News.